is wow friends, I find my first vehicle. This is very nice taxi car friends. This is very nice taxi car. This is fully green color taxi car. This wheel is black and white color combination. So friends, wow, this is number is KP 2018. So friends, this taxi car I collect in my bucket, and what is next I found in the jungle. So friends, what is next? Yeah, friends, this is a power tractor. This is pink color power tractor. Wow, this man is tractor driver. Friends, this tractor wheel is black and yellow color combination. This number is REG 4218. So friends, this is a big tractor. Friends, I collect the big tractor in my bucket. And what is next? I find the jungle. What is next? Wow, friends, this is a big Tata truck. This is an under construction truck. This is very big, friends. This is very big. This is a power tractor truck. This is under construction truck. This color is yellow and this wheel is black and yellow color combination. This number, wow, this is truck number. This number is 2022. Wow friends, so I collect in my bucket. And what is next? I find the jungle. So friends, let's go. What is next? Wow. So friends, what is next? This is my next vehicle. Friend, you comment, what is this? This is red dress and black eyes. Wow friends, I collect this in my bucket. And what is next? I find the jungle. What is next? Wow friends, this is MTSP big car. This is very big car, spider car. Friends, this is yellow and black color combination car. This wheel is black and white combination. So friends, this is very nice car. Friend, I collect this in my bucket. And next, what is next? Wow friends, this is a vehicle. This is a high power vehicle. This is very nice friend. Wow, this is very nice. See friend, this is a big vehicle, black and yellow color combination. This wheel is black and yellow. Friends, I collect this in my bucket. This is 6 number toys in my video. So friends, what is last and next? I find. Wow.
আমি দেখলাম
Wow, friends. This is a air wash. This is a air wash and fuel pump. Friend, this is very nice. This is red color, green color and purple color combination. Friend,